Say hi to everybody.
You don't need to.
Say hi. Hey. Say hi, everybody. Hi, Jamley. So we are out at the AV. Actually, I had no intention of coming down here because it gets so packed and busy, but the kids convinced me. So I don't even think Taylor really wanted to come.
No, I'm good. I don't want to swim, that's all.
I know. And Sarah's totally chilling. Just gonna put some sunscreen on and go down and play in the water. So, yep, happy 4th of July. Okay, location change. We were over there. We're back over here now. So we have a full view of this because we didn't want these in the way because the fireworks are gonna go off right about right here where that budget truck is. You can actually see them over there setting up. World's slowest zoom on this G7X. There you go, see all the fireworks display stuff? See that thing right there? That's gonna be a big, like, American flag. And then they have another one right over there. And then these things, when these tents come down, you guys will see the other display thing, which is right in front of these guys. Sarah's right there. There she is. We're actually she's actually down there talking with one of our old neighbors from our old neighborhood from like 2011 when we lived all the way down by Needles, California. Okay, you ready? Attempt number 2.
Oh, dang it.
And you have to pat around the outsides too. That way it packs it and it'll stay put. You gotta leave it there and actually pat the sides. Loosens it off the sides. There it goes. She did it. Good job, sister.
Just punch it.
Taylor's being buried by his sister. I don't know, this could get really sketchy really fast. One teenager buries another. I don't know, survival of the fittest of the siblings. Sibling rivalry at its best.
Oh, lift up your arm. Lift up your arm.
She's gonna give me boobs by the end of this, you know that.
Okay, he's gonna keep moving. Brother!
Yep, I told you this was headed somewhere pretty fast. Now she just has to get the face.
No.
I'm just joking.
My ear.
He just can't get his hands dirty right now. He's got a big slice on his finger. Oh my goodness. Oh, my battery's about to die. Say bye-bye. All right, Taylor's rocking his lady parts now. There we go. Woohoo! You sexy beast. I cracked it. He's got one way bigger than the other now.
I'd say he cracked his boob, like he cracked his boob on the thumbnail.
Hey, Taylor's tan. Oh my gosh, son. It's all in your ear. Oh man, he has to go to the water and dunk in and rinse off. Ooh, fun for you.
No, those are the crack of my butt.
Yep.
Ah,
Taylor got dirty crack. There you go.
Alright, go
Hi.
ahead, go Duggan.
Let me see, babe. I was trying to have you turn this way so I could see your star. Oh my god. We got stars in our hair, thingies on our wrist. Taylor's all lit up.